Hello lovely peoples. I have just put my lye in, so I'm going to give this a stir whilst I say hello and have myself a little bit of Pepsi. It's very hot. I don't want my stubby holder to get dirty, so I have it wrapped up in a paper towel. I apologise for my gloves, it's very hot. It's very, very hot. Summer has started in Australia with a vengeance. So we had a bit of a... Yes, oh, that's so greasy. Why is the handle of that greasy? I haven't even used it. It's supposed to be clean. I don't even know. Yeah, we had a... Yesterday, was it? Yesterday was Friday. Yeah, we had like severe fire warnings yesterday. Because we've had fires, yesterday it was super hot everywhere. It was the hottest Brisbane day in, I don't know, a lot of time. And yeah, it's just, yeah, Australia's decided to get really hot. So half of it's on fire, pretty much. It's pretty bad. But then again, this is Australia and this is how it usually is. It's very, very, very hot. Which is why I'm standing in here with no shoes on. Because it's too hot for shoes. Alright, so I'm going to give this a whiz. Oh, we're making... Well, I'm making, you're watching. What am I making? Oh, Black Rose and Oud. Another one. I'm terrified of this one too. Terrified of all of them now. All of the fragrances scare me. So scared of all the fragrances. I thought I would do, I love black soap. You guys know I love black soap. So if I can find an excuse to make black soap, I will find it. So I am going to, what am I doing? I'm going to pour off some of this. A good chunk of it. And then I'm going to use this Oriental red. I used this for soap the other day, the mistletoe and ivy, and it was quite a nice colour. So it was almost red all by itself. So I'm going to put a good chunk of that in here. Am I on camera? I kind of am. Wow, go me. And then I'm going to add little squirty squirts of the carmine pigments from Aussie Soap Supplies, which is friggin' fantastic. It's just red, so it's just red. I have a new red glitter here called Berry Blitz Glitter, which is a very red. So I thought, but it says Black Rose and Oud. I don't know what Oud is. I don't know what colour Oud is. For some reason I think it's a wood, but I don't think it actually is. And the Black Rose is just black, but I thought I'll put some red in there because black and red look good together. That was the colour palette I came up with. As for what I'm actually doing, who knows. Activated charcoal, because you can't get a blacker black than with activated charcoal. Because it's just awesome. Look how black it is. It's so black. Love it. Look, you guys, look into what I did. I used the stick blender in there first before I used the stick blender in there. That was very naughty. I'm not sure why I'm talking like I'm talking to babies, but whatever. Sorry. It's, you know, it's Saturday. And I only work until 1 o'clock on Saturdays in the shop. And it is now 6:52. Jesus Christ, I have to hurry up. So, you know, I am running a little behind on everything that I need to do. I mean, I haven't been here. I went home and might possibly have had a little nap. And then came back down the shop. So not even any possible maybes, or possibly I definitely went home and had a nap. I was so tired. I hate Saturdays. Saturdays piss me off. It's like the longest day, yet it's the shortest one. It's not as red as I'd like, but I'm not going to mess with it. I'm just going to let it be. Right, this is too many things now. Too many things. I don't know what's going to happen with this fragrance. I'm just going to smooth this out a bit and get a few of the bubbles out, because the bubbles always look like ricing. So you can see, I don't know if you can actually see. When I lift it up, it looks like I've got little, there you go, I'll run the light across it. You can see it looks like, they're not, they're just bubbles. This could also seize, so we might get a mould out. Get ready for that. Okay, now it's super clear. Look at that. It's like the clearest of clear. Alright, let's see what happens. Nothing. Oh my friggin' god. It's accelerating a little bit, but not like crazy amounts. I can still get that in the mold. Wow, righto. Shit, eh? Go you, good thing. Alright. This may be a different story. But because it's got a mica in it, sometimes micas will affect how a fragrance acts. Like how quickly it will set up. Yeah, she's thickening. Oh yeah, she's ploppy thickening. Alright, that's thickening quicker than this. There's also less of that as well. So what I might do is, because, oh Jesus Christ. Yes, that is thickening. Alright, let's get this in the mold. What I'll do is I'll pour half of that. And then I'm going to plop this in here. It's very ploppy. It actually looks kind of ricey in the bottom, which is a bit weird. Right. And then, oh, better make one of these. See, this is beautiful. This is behaving super well. And the black, it's obviously just reacted to the red, so. No, I can't say I'm a fan of the smell. Ugh, it's just got that Nana rose smell, which I'm not a fan of. You can actually see how thick that is. And it's thickened up in the container now, which is good. I'll be able to get a bit of a textured top happening on this one, I think. I don't think I can really use. Oh, you know what? Just plop it in there. Should be right. A lot of times what will happen with soap that's a little bit riced, if that's what that is, you'll get a bit of fragrance leakage, and then it will soak back in again. I'm not sure what's going on with these lights. Sorry guys, I know I'm completely and utterly in your way. But yes, I mean, that wasn't like out of control accelerating. Like if you're aware that it's going to accelerate, which I will be from now on because I'm going to write that down. I actually have a list next to me of all the fragrances I've been using, and I'm writing down what's happening with them as I go. Amazing, isn't it? Yeah, I mean, if you know that that's going to accelerate, you could totally do, you know, you could do a drop swirl with it, if you were prepared. I soaped very cool with this as well, so that obviously helped. Look at all the mess! Look at all the messes! All the messes! But yeah, that's definitely interesting. Whatever that is, what that's done in the bottom of that. I think maybe it's just set up more in the bottom, perhaps. Who knows? All right, give this a wiggle. Get that down. Get this cleaned up, and then we can go about putting a little bit of texture on the top of it, so we can put some of this nice. What is it? Berry blitz, did I say? Berry blitz. It's very nice. Oh God. I can't believe I just said that. Actually, yes I can. That totally dad jokes. I might just pull across. This is another great top for a beginner. You just dig your spoon in, pull across. That's it. If you want to do something interesting on this side, you can do something interesting, or you can just do exactly the same thing. Put your spoon in, pull across. It's up to you how deep you want to go. The deeper, sorry guys, the deeper you go in, the more you will displace. A lot of times what I will do is I'll just come along here and just do like little, just to give it something in the middle, and I think it looks really cool. Alright, I'm going to bring that one out here, and so I don't waste, just going to pull that one up as well, so it kind of matches, just in case I never get around to making these things. Alright, there we go. That one was a lot quicker than the last one, 12 minutes as opposed to like freaking 24 or something. Alright, easy peasy. I'm going to just sprinkle this down the middle if the fan will let me. I do have the ceiling fan on, so. And I'm going to go stupid with it because it looks really nice. Almost looks like dragon scales. And I didn't bring my bloody phone down, so I can't take photos of the tops of these things until tomorrow when I come back. So they will not look as good, because wet soap always looks better. Anyway, there's very little I can do about that. Very, very little. Just go up here, just get a little bit happening. Right, beautiful. Yes, that's the Berry Blitz. That is really, really nice glitter. So, all right. So that is black something or other. Black Rose and Oud. It smells like Nana's perfume, and I'm sure I'll have plenty of Nanas buy it. But there you go. I will see you guys for the cutting. Ta-da! Hello, I haven't cleaned up my mess here because I was going to show you something. A lot of times when you do the spoon method on the top, you get, here's me trying to figure out where to put my hands, you'll get this. So you have to excuse me, I'm puffed out because it's so freaking hot and I'm rushing like a crazy person. Yeah, I tend to just peel them off just so it's a little neater. It's where the soap has gone up on the side of the mold. So, but generally, I mean, I don't worry about it too much, but yeah, I tend to just sort of like do that. Quite interested to see what this is like. This is really nice. It's kind of, it's fairly, I mean, it's black, but it's like, it's kind of got like a greyish tinge on the top. It's almost like got soda ash, which I don't think it is, but, and we'll have to have a look and see what has happened on the inside with this red that sort of did stupid things. That looks alright. Alright, let's get all this crap out of the way. Doesn't seem to have done anything crazy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Very nice. I didn't think we were going to get much of anything out of this. Oh, that's really nice. Huh. Who knew? This probably won't sell. Black soaps don't tend to sell. You can see there are glycerin rivers in the red. That will have been because of heat, or that ricing thing, whatever it was doing, or extra setting, I don't know what it was doing, but yeah, whatever it is, you can actually see it in the soap itself. So, but otherwise it looks pretty good. I like that it's just got like just a quick splash of red. So yeah, so they're actually bringing me out fuel now. If you watch the last one, which was thyme and olive leaf, it's cutting. I was talking about needing fuel. Well, this is, I'm cutting these, like I made 3 soaps yesterday, which I filmed, and then today I will cut 3 soaps and I'll film them one after the other. So I cut that soap like 5 minutes ago. So they've just messaged me to tell me that they're bringing fuel. You'll have to go back at least a week to find out what I'm talking about if you didn't watch it. Hey, this is a good way to make people watch your videos. No, I'm out of fuel. The town I live in has no fuel, and I need to go to a town that's probably a little too far away to get fuel. So, again, this just smells like Nana's rose perfume. I'm not a fan. I'll never be a fan of that smell. But I'm not the one buying my soaps. So, alright. Actually, that could do with a little bit of a Titan. Titans. I love the Titans. Alright guys, I will see you for the next one. Bye. I popped the little Smell Me out. Again, it looks, you can see how it's grayer on the top. So it's kind of weird that these look like they're getting soda ash, whereas the actual soap itself isn't. Because it's the same recipe. I don't know. I wonder if it's because they're smaller. So, do you know? Toodaloo.